Alright guys, today I'll show you an executor called Valex, so let's get into a game. Brookhaven! Yippee, Brookhaven! Oh my god. Okay, so we're in Brookhaven! Yes, Brookhaven! So now let's click on the inject Roblox version. So yeah, so if that pops up, it will close and then please reject after click on OK. Now it should open up Roblox again now. Go to a game like anything, any game, bruh. Any game works. Ah, shut up. Nice. Okay, so yeah, now let's inject in a game like okay then is just wait there you go. Once it goes away, it's injected now. Let's go F9. See, yeah, first let's go with the settings. So there's an auto inject, automatically injects after opening Roblox, auto execute, kill Roblox, exclude from Windows Defender, which is just so that it doesn't get antivirus. And now Valex, I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Yeah, it's gone on your screen. It's back. So also top instance, keep Valex on the top of the instance. Let's go click on Roblox and as you can see it's still there but once I turn it off, now it disappears like wow, crazy. So there's also opacity of the executor. Oh my god, that's just invisible. Also minimap, no resizing. As you can see here, we can resize. Now let's turn it on and now we cannot resize. The spoofing, yeah, if you don't want to get IP banned. So yeah, now let's test out the executors. Let's do warn Valex is detected. Yes, Valex is actually detected. That's why I'm using an alt account. Let's just do put a here and then no, this clouding is the script hub. Let's just do what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? PNC test script universal. So I guess it doesn't work. So let's just open up a browser. PNC test script. Um, Zero. Okay. So just copy this. Copy and go back to Roblox. Now paste it in home and then run or execute. Now let's just wait for this to load. Boom. As you can see, it will say 93 or 94, but there's only so we can count the fails. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six fails. So there's actually about like hmm, there is um, 94 UNC. Yeah. Sometimes it's 95, sometimes it's also 96 UNC, but the minimum is 94 UNC. That's the average amount. Let's now let's test with Dex Explorer. Now let's get Dex Explorer. do Dex Explorer, run or execute. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Oh yeah, the user agent is also Valex. Valex is actually Nizor, just rebranded. So yeah, let's open up Dex Explorer, made by Raspberry Pi. What? Also, let's go to players, players. Sunny, 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 what's this thing? Sunny, right here. Sunny, delete. I can't click on. Now let's do Ingrid. Ingrid. El Mafioso. What? What? No, hell no. TBX. TBX. About this girl, Rocky. Rocky. You know what? Everyone's getting deleted. There's someone named Tung 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 Sour. Hey, yo, bro. What the hell? The only player here is me. I'm the only. Sino ka? Wow, meron din. Wow, there's Filipinos in this. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of my showcase. I'll see you guys later. But make sure to like and subscribe and comment executors that I should test. Bye bye.